This video we are going to create this text viral animation, which is the text bounce animation, and this animation has been used in many SAAS videos. Okay, so let's create it. So first of all, let's create a text. So I'm going to write alpha traders, and then now we want to center it, so we can press alt control home, and now our anchor is in the center, and then we can press control home, and now our text is in the center of the screen. Okay, alt control home will position the anchor of the text to the center of your text, and control home will position your text to the center of your composition. Now we need to animate it, and to animate it we are going to expand it here and click on animate, and we need two things. Okay, here we can see it's changing its position and it has some opacity. Okay, so just on the animate, click opacity, and also add from here, click here and then add position. Okay, now in position where you want your text to come from, I want it to come from the top, so I can do this. If you want it to come from the left, you can do it like this or like this. Don't push it out of the screen, it will not make a good animation. Okay, now let's move it to up little
Till it's
bit,
cool,
like
just
minus
cool,
100,
into the
and
mouth.
then change the opacity to 0. Now in
No.
the range selector, click on the stopwatch and make it minus 100, and then make it plus 100. Okay, so now as you can see it is animating like this. Now we need to fix it, so go to advanced. Right now it is this shape of our animation is set to square. We need to change it to ramp up, and now as you can see the result. Now we want them to animate bywards, so we can change it towards like this. Okay, now we need to give it some ease, so just 75 and 150. So what it does, it will make the animation little bit smooth. Okay, now this is completely fine. Now what we are going to do, we are going to duplicate this animator, so just select it, press Ctrl D. Now animator is duplicated. Okay, then expand it and expand the range selector. Move the range selector little bit to the side like this, just few frames, and delete the opacity because we don't want opacity, we want the bounce animation, so just delete the opacity. Now we need our text to place in the bottom, so we are going to make it in the plus, like let's make 60. So now as you can see this is our animation, but we need to add one more iteration of this position. Okay, so let's make it 50 first, and then duplicate this animator too by pressing Ctrl D, and then expand the range selector, move it forward few frames, and then change the position to the minus 30. Now it's bouncing like this. So in this way you can create this bounce animation. Okay, right now after creating this animation you can apply some gradient, so like this. So to do this, just apply the gradient ramp and give it start and end color. So that's it. In this way you can create the text bounce animation, and this animation has been used in almost most of the SAAS animation.